What if I told you that you could create a cinematic AI video like this, just from a simple prompt?
Hello, I am Neymar da Silva Santos Jr. I am Brazilian professional footballer
The
who
final
plays
chapter.
as an attacker. My ability is goal scorer and playmaker. He is known for his dribbling, technical ability, agility, passing, and finishing.
And no, this isn't some pre-made template or stock footage. In the next 50 seconds, I'm going to test Seedance 2.5 and show you exactly what it can create from scratch. But there's one thing I really want to find out. Is Seedance 2.5 actually good enough to replace traditional video creation, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Let's find out. First, search for JXP AI Video Generator and open the first website. JXP AI Video Generator is a very powerful and easy-to-use AI tool for creating and editing videos. Its advanced AI features can make your editing workflow 10 times faster. So let's see how it works. Now, we have entered the Seedance 2.5 video generator. Simply put, this is an advanced AI model that allows you to create professional AI videos using just a simple prompt. Here you can add your reference image. Here you can enter your prompt. And finally, you can set the model, resolution, and aspect ratio according to your requirements. It all depends on what kind of result you want. If you scroll down on the website, you will find some example videos that can help you understand how to create videos using different sequences. I have also added the prompts link in the description where you can find and use the same prompts that I'm using. Just follow the steps along with me. It's that simple. I have also added the link to this AI tool in the description, so make sure to visit it from there. Follow my steps. Your video is almost ready. video is almost ready. Now simply combine all these clips together and your final video is ready. If you want your video to continue in the same sequence with multiple camera angles, then you can try the text to video option.
Thanks for watching. Want to try Seedance 2.5 yourself? Check the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this edit, hit subscribe for more. See you in the next one.